Good afternoon. Welcome to another episode of What's Nate Doing? So we're back on the Rhino. We're gonna see what's going on there. We got some parts. We'll go ahead and open those up, start putting this back together. The owner, he's gonna swing by, say hi, maybe help out a little bit and see what's going on. So let's get these open, we'll grab a knife, and we'll see what we can do. It says heavy, so we should probably be careful lifting it. Nope, just drop it. As long as it doesn't say fragile, then we'll be okay. All right. Let's put that all the way on there. These are going to be the axles. Oops. Can't return that. Wow. There we go. All shiny and new. Let's make sure the splines fit. Yep. And chance it. Maybe. Come on. I don't know. Let's get this over here and hold it better. Oh yeah, that's gonna go in. That's the same. All's good. Just had to figure it out. So parts are good. For that, over here I think I have a seal kit. We'll zing this open. Seal kit, something made in China. I don't know what it is. Let's open it up. Oh, that's the new little, whatcha-who's it? This goes on here. Yep. Ish. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fine. That'll lose the spring. Put that back. Okay. Well, I think we're ready to go as soon as our guests get here, and we'll keep trucking on it. All right, we'll go ahead and jump in here. Start popping seals out. The old seal popper outer tool. Probably the wrong tool, but it's fine. Got that one out pretty easy. We'll dump this over, make a mess on the bench, mess on the floor. This other guy popped out. Come on. It's a little harder. Give it a wiggle jiggle. Oh yeah. Got that one out. Grab another paper towel. Grab two because I'm making a mess. good. All right. Now this little guy up front here, definitely don't have the right tool for this. Nope. Grab something else. We'll use this. Again, wrong tool, but we'll hook it in and see if we can't get this popped out. Ooh. That seal is in there. Nope, wrong tool again. Let's go find something different. Still here, just looking for something different through all the boxes. I don't know what to use. See if I can just get a flat screwdriver in there deep enough. Use some leverage like that. Can I put this like that? I'm afraid it's gonna pop me in the nose or stab me in the chest or something. I mean, it acts like it wants to do something. No. All right. I'll put you on pause and go find something. All right, I'm back with another wrong tool, but I started it and it's working kind of. So I'll stick it in there and just give it some oogas and see it popped right out then. So ruined it, but it's already ruined, no problem. A lot of you are thinking, well, I don't know about a lot, but whoever might be watching is thinking there's a tool for that, and you're right, I don't have it. Clean that out and pop these new ones in. That's just gonna press right in there. Might get a socket and tap it into place. Or not. Just grab a hammer. I have a smaller one, but one of my kids is using it. So we'll do this. Because it's not right. There you go. Just got to make sure it's all the way seated pretty well even in there. It is. Get this other guy up in here. Do the same thing, kind of get it push started, tap it around, make sure it goes in. This one's bigger, I can get the whole hammer on it. Oh, I think that's way too far though. I think you just go flush with this. So we'll just be gentle. Can we be gentle? Nope, it's all going in. There we go. I think we about got that. And then we'll push this side the rest of the way. There we go. All the way in. Put this one in. Dandy screwdriver backwards bit. Make sure it's all in. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, this is ready to set back in there. I will grease all this up. It's always good to put a little grease or something on these new sills so they don't leak on you or get tore when you push them in or anything like that. So we'll go do that and throw her in the back end of this thing. Well, you were sleeping and missed the whole thing. Now, my cousin Dennis came over and we got it put together. Sorry we didn't get you in on it, but I'll show you just a couple things. My hand's in the way. Went ahead and put axles in, got the new seals, all that kind of stuff done. It was pretty easy. It's better with two people. He helped me put the bed on. And then we went ahead up here and took a half an hour and threw some front axles in the front. So thanks for almost watching, and we'll do better next time.